gold is one of the most volatile markets, which makes it perfect for scalping. So in this video, I'll show you how to scalp gold on a 1-minute chart step by step. So now, always we shall identify a short-term trend. For example, this trend is a bearish trend, short-term, okay? And we wait for the pullback, the support, right, or our resistance. Now, since it is a bearish trend, we shall wait a pullback to a resistance zone. For example, when you look here, there was a good resistance zone right here. You know, this code, it is very perfect on this support and resistance because it reacts very quickly. So now, when you see that, that is a resistance level. So when you wait for the market and reaches your resistance level, now you always see a strong rejection candle. That is your potential entry point, right? So when you see a strong resistance candle, for example, this is a bearish candle, it has rejected our resistance level. Here you enter in the direction of the trend. We shall enter in the direction of the trend. Then we put our stop loss right there, and the TP we put it to a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 trade, right? You can see immediately after entering from our resistance zone, the market has moved in our direction, guys. Okay. So now you can see that it has made another resistance zone right here. So now we can always wait for a rejection on your resistance zone, or there are other zones that always are found on your resistance zones. You can find the fair value gaps, and it always reacts on the fair value gaps or the order blocks, right? So now you can immediately see that after reaching our resistance zone, where we have a zone of fair value gap, it has created our confirmations, right? And our TP, it is on our low right here, okay? And we wait and we see whether the market will react accordingly. You can see that the market has reacted accordingly. Wow. So now it has reached our TP immediately after reaching our zone, which was a fair value gap zone, and we have entered immediately there. We have targeted a 1 to 3 trade. So you can see how perfect this gold scalping strategy on 1-minute chart is perfect, guys. Okay. Gold moves fast, so always manage your risk. Okay. Follow Jim FX for more simple forex and gold scalping strategies, guys.